Everything that I have on my face right now is from the swap meet. Yes, from the swap meet. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're doing a full face of cheap makeup, but not just any cheap makeup, makeup from the swap meet. If some of you aren't familiar with the swap meet or you guys don't have a swap meet near you, the swap meet is a huge venue. Some are outdoor, some are indoor, and basically there are different booths set up and everything's very affordable. Like you could get some bomb food there, you could get some snacks. Get some jewelry, electronics, produce, you could ride a pony, you could get clothes, you could get shoes, you could get toys, you can get makeup, obviously. A lot of the brands that they carry there are similar to ones you get off Shop Hush. So you have like your LA Girl, your Jcat, Beauty Creation. And that's all I can think of right now. But basically there are a lot of similar products there. Oh look, that's cute. Some little roller to the process, like from when we were kids. I love her. Don't say that. It had so many goodies. If we weren't in a hurry, I probably would have taken longer and like got more stuff. But literally, I'm gonna tell you what I got right now. I got a foundation, I got a concealer, I got a primer, I got an eyeshadow primer, I got 3 pairs of lashes, I got mascara, I got liquid eyeshadows, I got lip liner, I got lipstick, I got lip gloss, I got setting powder, I got a big eyeshadow palette, I got a contour palette, I got a cheek palette. All for under $100, you guys. All right, so we just got done right now, just pulling out. I feel like I got some good stuff in my fancy black bag. The weather actually is feeling very nice and balm. It's 80 degrees, which I like. I think that's perfect. By the way, also this e.l.f. concealer, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, excuse me, like, that really held up. Like, we've been out here for hours and hours and hours of walking around. Anyways, see you guys at home.
Good, now we can yell.
What? Yeah, so if you want to see the products that I use and how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So starting off first, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I got the LA Girl Shady Slim Shady Brow Pencil, and I got it in the shade Espresso. So I was kind of nervous that this wasn't going to be dark enough because it looks super brown. I'm pretty hurt by this eyebrow shade right here. It is very, very light brown and it looks stupid on me.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
This low-key looks foolish, but we gotta push through. I realized that I actually messed up and bought the Jcat Shimmer Shadow Primer instead of just regular shadow primer. Like, yes, that'll work for shimmer shades, but not for my whole lid. So it looks like we're gonna be using concealer for our base. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I know a lot of people are pretty familiar with this. I've definitely used it before. I got the shade Natural. That looks scary. For the palette, I kind of got scammed a little bit, to be honest with you, because everything else was very, very affordable. And this was, I mean, it's still affordable. but this was $20 and I spent $100 on everything. So this is it right here. I ended up actually seeing one on the way out that looked similar to this but smaller, and it was $8. $8. It smells really heavily like sunblock. I'm not gonna lie to you, like baby sunblock. First, I'm gonna go in with the shade right here, which is Mi Vida. And then I'm gonna go in with this very, very light blue shade, Cielito Lindo. These are definitely not like packing a punch for me. Luckily, this is just like the transition part. This is actually what kind of gave me the inspiration right here, is these two shades, having the blue and the pink next to each other. So I'm gonna go with the darker blue to accent the lighter one. Decided I want to add a little bit of purple in there, even though I hate purple. So I think I'm going to go with the shade Papi Chulo and then maybe Chiquitita, I think, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and switch palettes real quick to set the lid. This is the Jcat Downtown LA palette, and they do also have this one at the Swami as well, but I actually got this one from Shop Hush originally, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to set the lid. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm gonna use this shade right here, Suavecito. Liquid shadows are always very hit and miss for me. The Milani ones, if you just take a little bit and then just like kind of pat them onto your eye, it's like stunning, stunning, okay? But then you have like the Huda ones, which I didn't really like very much because they were more crusty. The more silvery one is called Illusion Galaxy Bomb from Cara Beauty. This more golden tone one right here is by Italia, and it's Miss Metal Glitter Shock liquid eyeshadow. I'm just going to smoke out the lash line real quick before I put the liner on, and hopefully that makes it look a little bit cuter. And this is back in with the shade Mi Vida that we used at the beginning. I'm just going to go ahead and put the eyeliner on first before I clean all this up, even though it's like a hot mess. Oh, we got a felt tip, and she's kind of chunky, so let's see what we can do. So to not risk having some crusty liner going on, I'm probably just going to stop it there and then smoke it out a little bit. Honestly, the only place flaky crust belongs is on a biscuit, so I don't want any flaky crust on my eyes. Okay, we are finally done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up really quick so I can zoom you out and show you the rest of the face. So moving on to face, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with primer. I actually got a primer oil. Kind of risky. Oh, that's pretty. It's got like little glitters in it. It's like what my saliva looks like. I don't mind priming oils. I like to put an oil on my face before I do my makeup usually anyways. But I feel like you do have to be careful about, this smells actually really good. You gotta be careful about how much you use and what kind you use. Obviously we know oil and water don't mix, and most foundations are gonna be water-based foundations. So, you know, that's what's gonna happen. I actually used to really love this foundation until I realized that it was making me look hella orange. And so, you know, what did I do? I got the exact same shade that used to make me look orange. See, because it doesn't look orange when you put it on. That's the trick. I mean, unless they change the shades a little bit, because it looks pretty neutral. Okay, I was like, something smells minty, and I'm so confused right now. But it's because I washed my sponges with the Dr. Bronner Magic Soap, the peppermint scent, and I was like, so confused right now. I'm like, why does this foundation smell like gum? Still to this day, I really do love this foundation. Like I said, it made me look orange last time. I don't know if the shade changed or my skin tone changed, but we'll see if it oxidizes, because right now that actually looks pretty bomb. I also got the concealer in the shade Natural. This over here is a little thicky, so I don't want to use too much. For setting powder, I got this one from Rude Cosmetics, Makeup with Attitude. I've actually tried their products before. Once again, I got them from Shop Hush. I hate getting the little stickers off of these. They're so hard. Honestly, what I do is I just take like an earring or a needle and I just poke all the holes through and then just use it like that. I feel like banana always means something different to every company. I would honestly just consider this to be like light, medium, translucent, because it's not yellow toned at all. Holy no. Oh no. That made my under eyes like 3 shades darker right now, so I'm gonna try to put concealer over top. Woo! Damn, like that under eye is looking flawless. Oh, I am sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. Wow. I'm impressed. I had a little bit of a hard time finding a contour palette. Like, I didn't see much, but I was also kind of in a hurry because I wasn't trying to take too long at the store. I feel like this one could work as a contour shade, so I'm going to use this. This is from Okaland. And then we have this one from LA Colors that I dropped and I broke a little bit, but this is what we're going to use for blush. So I'm not gonna lie, that looks a little bit atrocious, but let's just keep the ball rolling. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this bronzer here and hope that that'll make things better. I don't know. When in doubt, throw bronzer on it. I'm just gonna add some blush and try to fix this because I don't think my face can handle any more disrespect right now. Yeah, that ain't it to me. But you know I had to pull through with the Swap Meet Queen. Oof, this is the Jcat Crystal Sand highlight. You guys, if you've been following me, you already know what's good with this highlight. Yes, give me the extra bling that I need. It just gets the job done, you know? We're almost done. I am going to go ahead and put on lashes now. They were 3 for $10, so I got 3 obviously. These are the Amore Us 3D Faux Mink lashes. They're like a nice simple lash. None of them are like crazy bold bam in your face, but I think I'm going to go with, let's go with the 3D 37s. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these on real quick. I'm not going to do it on camera, mostly because I'm running out of space on my memory card right now, so I just want to, you know, stop that from happening. Also, because you guys have seen me put on lashes like 1,000,001 times. So I'll be right back. We'll do lips and then we're done. Actually, let me hold my horses real quick. Before I leave, I just realized we don't even have the bottom part of our eye done. I just really do not want to get fallout under my eyes because they look so snatched. I cannot risk it. Simple and quick. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. This one is from Apple. You guys, I was buying this mascara when I was like 12. So my camera literally died while I was telling that story that I was about to tell. I was just gonna say that I used to buy this at the swap meet across the street from my house when I was very, very young. And I just think it's funny that they still make it. Let me just pop this open really quick so you can see what it's working with, okay? That is the same size as my eyeball. I used to think like the bigger the wand on the mascara, like the better your lashes looked. But that's not really true. I've got the Italia taupe. Oh, this is an eyeliner. Well, you know, we're just gonna do what we do. It looks like a lip liner to me, but I guess. The lipstick as well is from Amore Us, and I'm kind of scared this is gonna be pinky because from the little shade on the bottom it looks nude, but you never know because they be like coming through with the pinky shades. You know, that looks a little pinky. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pinky, all right. Pinky in the brain. That's not bad. I got two glosses. Yes, I did. I got a clear gloss. Well, they're both a clear gloss, really. This one's from LA Color, and this one is from Italia Deluxe, like some of the other products I got. Like, I'll splurge on a clear gloss, but, you know, the beauty supply stores and swap meet kind of thing, you know, sometimes they be coming through with the clear gloss. I used to freaking love these. I think we all did. It just smells so good. Oh, yes. Like, look at that. I'm really going to be carrying this with me everywhere I go now, to be honest. So I'm actually all done with my face makeup now. I'm just going to go ahead and go take some pics real quick before it gets too dark outside. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you guys what I think of the actual products and give you guys a little close-up look. She said affordable. She said cheap. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go ahead and leave like a little clip so you can see up close what the look ended up looking like in the direct sunlight. And I'm gonna tell you right now, completely unedited, it pops, okay? Like, I think this whole thing really goes to show that you don't need all high-end makeup to make it look that looks expensive, okay? And of course, not every single makeup product is gonna work. Like, that mascara is kind of trashy. The eyeliner wasn't too popping. That contouring palette, it didn't really do much for me. But for the most part, everything turned out pretty delicious. I was shocked to see how good the actual eyeshadow look ended up being. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know you guys really love the cheap makeup hauls, so I'm not gonna stop. Like, you know, I love some cheap goodies as well. I thought this was like a fun little twist on it, and I was going to the swap meet anyway, so I was like, okay, let's make content out of this. Anyways, you guys, that is it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.